In this video, I'd like to discuss the maintenance agreement. The maintenance agreement is typically for electric service maintenance. If we're looking at Sirius, within an estimate under service, installation, and warranty, you'll see an electric sign maintenance agreement. If we open up this product, the first thing we're going to know is the service location. Now, if you are using this as a child to the service product, this, of course, would already be filled out. Again, the height above ground, if applicable, just for information. The agreement period, such as this is a 6-month service agreement. The beginning date of that, say, is today. And then what are we specifying about that agreement? In this case, we're going to defective tubes, broken tubes, transformers, wiring, and installation. Okay. If there's a monthly charge for that, what is it? And if it's prepaid, and for how many months is this going to apply? Say 6 months. The sign manufacturer, basically, if you made it, or if someone else did, the date of that manufacturing, if you know it, and a UL number for reference. Now, if we look at this service maintenance agreement, if we look at the summary, this is now what's going to print for that service agreement. Now, again, I'm using a sample data set that has the ABC Signs 2.52 as my company, so it might look a little strange, but it's basically going to break out that service agreement. And that concludes our sign maintenance agreement product. If you have any further questions, please review our other videos or contact the Sirius Implementation Department. Thank you.